Welcome. Today I'll show you how to replace smart quotes with straight quotes in Microsoft Word. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, let's understand what smart quotes and straight quotes look like. Smart quotes are curly and look like this. They curve towards the text. Straight quotes look like this. They're simple vertical marks. There are two main methods to handle quote marks in Word. Let's start with method 1, disabling smart quotes for future typing. First, click on the File tab in the top menu. Then click on Options in the left sidebar. In the Word Options dialog box, click on Proofing. Click the AutoCorrect Options button. Click the AutoFormat As You Type tab. Under the Replace As You Type section, uncheck the Straight Quotes with Smart Quotes option. Now for Method 2, replacing existing smart quotes with straight quotes in your document. Press Ctrl+H to open the Find and Replace dialog box. In the Find What field, type a smart quote. In the Replace With field, type a straight quote. Click Replace All to replace all instances. Repeat this process for both opening and closing quotes. And that's it. You now know both methods for handling quote marks in Microsoft Word, either preventing smart quotes from appearing in the first place or replacing existing smart quotes with straight quotes. Choose the method that works best for your needs.